Hey guys, I'm in the middle of voting right now, and guys, basically, let's see who won. Probably none of it is gonna be me, because I'm nowhere close to neon, sadly. I need to get the neon accessories, guys. How did that guy win? He wasn't even neon at all. How did she even win? How did she even win? Guys, I'm sorry to be mean, but like, how is that anywhere close to neon? None of these people had anything neon. King had no neon things on him. How is that possible? I don't understand. I really don't. Anyway, so today, guys, I'm going to show you how to survive the witch every single time. Because who doesn't want to get 250 diamonds and 100 XP every single in-between pageant? I mean, honestly, it would be such a helpful thing. Because then you get so many diamonds. So, yeah, we'll just wait in it. Seriously, I'm protected from the witch's spell. This is dumb. So now I need to change my plans and just do some weird stuff. I'm just going to show you guys things I do in Sunset Island just to be weird. I don't go in the tents. I actually just walk around doing random things. And half the time, I'm not even playing. I'm on a grind. I barely even play Sunset Island. I just leave it. I check on it here and there. And I get my thousands of diamonds. And guys, I will probably record like a, I don't know, I guess like a... Hey guys, okay, comment down below if you can hear me when my microphone has a bag over it. Comment down below. Hello guys. It might actually pick up the frequency, but I don't know. Anyway, I took the bag off. I got a new headphone cord today, so that's perfect. And guys, I might actually be able to have a face cam so you guys can see me. Yeah, I'm sorry if your ears just died. I'm gonna have to put an ear warning just in case, because I'm sorry guys, that was rude of me. Anyway, I'm just literally gonna sit here and wait and tell you guys stuff. So I want to also explain a creepy thing about Royal High, like a creepy fact. Like an actual creepy fact. It was here last time, but I guess maybe it's gone or something. Let's see. Is it here or is it not? Apparently there's like some creepy face staring at you when you go to that mirror. I don't know. And also, so guys, I missed about 3 seasons, Easter, Valentine's Day, and Christmas, to get all the cool accessories. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure, you know, in those seasons, I'm going to be making tutorials on how to get the items the fastest way if you didn't get them the first time they came out, you know? And right now, I am holding my microphone and talking into it. And it says that I joined after intermission, so I don't get to do the witch thing. So that's why I can't do this video right now. I can do Blue Bliss. That is the easiest one. Like, it's easy, because it's bliss, you know, bliss. Like, bliss is easy, I'm pretty sure that's what it means. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know. Here, I'm going to set my microphone down again. Extend the legs out. Okay, perfect. We're just going to put that down there. Okay. So, I know what to do. So here's a hack. Already got some blue on. While you're trying to do blue bliss, just put on 2 blues. Why does that not work? Why did that just not work? Oh, the kitty ears. I made the kitty ears that color. Nope. That is the ugliest colors for kitty ears. That is pretty, but I'm scared. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Oh my god, I just took something off. Okay. Is this a purple? I can't even tell. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, sorry, I'm so confused right now. I'm going to make the cutest blue outfit you've ever seen. Guys, look how close in color that is. That is the weirdest thing ever. Looks like some type of light purple. What else do we need to turn this color? I like to do like the 2-color scheme and then just like blonde and yellow or whatever. And then like, yeah, that's because like blue and yellow and orange. Blue and orange look cute together, so I'll make the hat orange. Yeah, time to make the hat orange because orange and blue look really cute together. You know, I'll do a light orange. That's kind of a lightish orange. I don't know. I just said orange. That's not okay. Sorry, I meant to say orange. Ugh. I cannot speak today. I am trying to talk so fast, like I'm being way too quick with my words. And so here we are. Guys, right there, look, an accessory hack on its own. The kitty ear, the orange, well, the kitty ear hat is one of the cutest accessory hacks ever. I think I need to, you know what? We'll make it. See, we'll do that. Or no. You know what? The main color will be orange, duh. Oh. Or no, the main color should be blue, right? Yeah. And this should be orange. Yeah, that looks better. That actually even looks better. I just realized. I'm glad I did that. See, isn't that much better? That just looks much better to me. I don't know. Doesn't it look better to you guys? It's not completely orange, but it's better. It actually looks better because blue and orange are like the best colors together. And wait, we'll need to change the blue to like this. Yeah, that looks better again. Like I'm changing the plans of the colors over and over. I'm sorry guys. I am just like rushing myself because I'm scared that the timer is going to run out and I will not have enough time to finish this outfit. I am rushing way too much. Okay. No, we're not even done. We need literally the last thing. Okay. There we go. What like what skin color should I put? Let's make it lighter because I don't know if I'm actually this dark IRL. Ooh, that's too dark. That's too dark. I look like a potato. You know what? It's fine. I don't care. I don't look like a potato. I just realized. Why did I even say that? My skin looks so orange. and my name is a dot because why not, I guess. So now that I'm done my video, well, what am I saying? It's not my video. Now that I am done my outfit, I guess we'll just like take a look around. See, guys, look, a creepy face. That's actually the chill face. I wear that face. That's here, guys. I'll literally show you proof that my Roblox avatar is. That's what my Roblox avatar has. See, I wear the chill face. I can like try on and like just whatever. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this weird chair. Get away. I mean, I don't really know what else we should do. I guess we'll complete this part, and I guess I'm gonna end the video and like do another one tomorrow or whatever, because I need to go candy hunt after this video, and I don't want to record it because like it's gonna be too boring for you guys. This is just like me playing Sunset Island basically, because I have no video ideas. Guys, please comment down roleplay or video ideas, because also some Roblox roleplays will be coming out tomorrow, especially Adopt Me ones. Yeah, that's the thing. So anyway, we have, seriously, it takes so long, and when you're already done your outfit like that, it's so boring, because you just gotta walk around the island. Like, what are you supposed to do? They need to give like the players that do fast really cool outfits. You know what, some people just like save outfits for every category. They make an outfit like on one day for every category, and then every time there's a different category, they just change it. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I guess, within like while I'm like collecting candies and stuff, because I have 2 more days to get 15,000 candies in Royal High, and you know that's a lot of candies, and I'm only almost halfway. So, but you know, I will get them. I will get it. Literally. I'll get as many of the Halloween items that I can this year. So I'm gonna try my best. If I don't get the Batmo heels and the Kitty Crossbody, I'll just try next time. Cause, you know, October comes every year or whatever. It's a season, so it'll like come back when it's the seasonal time. October comes all time around. You know what? I could wear Halloween accessories anytime I want. So like, yeah. I don't really know. There's people, someone saying, no, you rude, you copied me. I copy no one. Liar. Frowny face. Oh my god. Drama. The tea is hot, guys. The tea is hot. You make me sad, meanie. This is, I mean, why do people even fight? Like, this isn't okay. Stop fighting. Stop being mean to each other. Or stop being mean. Whoever you are. Being mean. Oh, finally. The round has started. Okay. This takes like a year worth of time. I don't know. This is like, oh my gosh. You know what? I'm glad that I see people with the nocturnal kitty ears, because now I know what they look like, and I know that I really want to buy them, so I'm gonna get them by tomorrow, and yeah, so I'm gonna actually make a video on how to get the 10,000 candies by tomorrow.